The question is, can you change your Snapchat username? I thank all my returning viewers and my new viewers. Shout out to you all. Thank you guys for the support. So if you want to know if you can change your Snapchat username, so you need to watch the video to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, after making some research, you can no longer change your Snapchat username. Once you have created your account, So the only way you can change your Snapchat username is by creating another account. So but your display name will actually act as your user name, because if someone search on Snapchat with your display name, the person is going to get your account. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to customize your display name. So you simply go to your Snapchat account. Once you get there, you simply click on your profile, after which you click on your setting. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Name. So here you can actually customize your display name. So that's it. So that's it. We have actually changed our display name. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.